First up,
An augmented reality tool is poised to revolutionize communication for deaf and hearing-impaired individuals. This innovative technology enables real-time sign language interpretation and captioning, breaking down communication barriers and enhancing accessibility. The tool holds the promise of improving the quality of life for the deaf and hearing-impaired communities by providing seamless and inclusive communication solutions.
moving forward,
Scientists have drawn inspiration from Octopus skin to develop color-changing paint with dynamic aesthetic possibilities. This innovation opens doors to transformative and adaptive design applications, as the paint can change colors when exposed to varying temperatures. The technology allows for creative and functional designs in architecture, fashion, and other fields, with the potential for energy-efficient building materials and eye-catching apparel.
next up,
A paradigm shift is underway as particle accelerators are shrinking down to chip-sized devices. This technological advancement offers a more compact and energy-efficient approach to particle acceleration, with the potential to democratize access to high-energy physics experiments. The chip-sized particle accelerators represent a significant evolution in the field of particle physics and have the potential to enable a wider range of research and applications.
moving forward,
NASA's latest rocket nozzle innovation is paving the way for deep space missions. This cutting-edge technology enhances propulsion efficiency and maneuverability, making it a critical component for future deep space exploration. The rocket nozzle's advancements underscore NASA's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration and its potential to facilitate missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond.
next up,
Researchers have introduced a groundbreaking method for creating stable and efficient next-generation solar cells. This development addresses crucial aspects of solar cell technology, enhancing both stability and performance. By pushing the boundaries of solar energy conversion, this innovation holds great promise for advancing the adoption of solar power. It underlines the ongoing efforts in the field of renewable energy to make solar technology more accessible and reliable for future.
and that's it for today. If you like what we are making, then please show support by subscribing and hitting that like button. That will motivate us. And so you are still here, then please comment your favorite part and suggest any improvement. Thank you for watching till here.